Hello everyone! I was originally going to make a video about how nice it is outside, but instead, it rained all day. Here are some tips for surviving a rainy day. Try to avoid going outside when you can, especially on days like today when it's an icky cold rain and not like a cool summer rain. Occupy yourself with other activities that do not involve the outside world.
Cuddle up in a blanket, or go on Netflix.
You get the idea. However, if you have to go outside, wear appropriate rain gear.
Wear your raincoat, grab your nice umbrella, and make sure to wear your rain boots so that you can splash around in the puddles.
And if you're like me, then you enjoy the rain. At least a little bit. So go outside with all your rain gear on and enjoy the soft sound of falling rain. Joining me today, and I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to watch Emily's video tomorrow. Bye!